Hello everyone, and today I have the two cubes in the GAN X Minions Edition collaboration. These two are the GAN I4 Minions Edition and the GAN I Carry 4 Minions Editions. Open this one up first. So this comes with a cube box, and this is the cube itself with pretty cool center cap. It is textured if you cannot tell. Wow, I really like the turning of this cube. It's really buttery, and I love the light blue internals inside. The cube also comes with a cube bag with some cute minions on it, some free stickers, and an adjustment tool. I've already opened this up, but I might as well show you guys. It comes with this cube charger with a bob on it, my favorite minion. Adjustment tool similar to the GAN 16. This also comes with similar accessories such as the cube pouch, some stickers, and a charger. Pretty cool design with Bob, the best minion, on the yellow center cap. And guys, I really love the turning of this cube. It's very similar to the 16, and I believe it has a similar mechanism to the 16. As you can see, it's just really easy to turn.